Residential real estate. What is residential real estate? Residential property is real estate that has been developed or zoned for living, such as single-family houses, apartments, or mobile home parks. As of 2016, 35% of the U.S. population rented their homes, and 65% owned their homes. Tenure by age of householder. In the 30 years and under age group, 9 million people rented their homes, and 2 million owned their homes. In the 30 to 44 age group, we have 14 million people renting their homes and 15 million owning their homes. 45 to 64 years old, 13 million rented their homes and 33 million owned their homes. And in the 65 plus age group, we have 6 million renting their homes and 23 million owning their homes. This information can be useful to me as a landlord in the future to target the 30 to 44 year age group, because these are the ones that are renting the most out of all of the age groups. Future possibilities for the residential real estate market. More single-family homes are expected to be built, and the prices are expected to drop from 6% in 2017 to a predicted 4.1% in 2018. More people are expected to sell their homes. Mortgage rates are predicted to rise from 4.07% at the end of 2017 to 4.7% by the end of 2018. And tax reform lowers the amount of that the homeowners can deduct from their taxes. Other observations as I was doing research, the number of homes sold has steadily increased from 2012. In November of last year, 733,000 new homes were sold. That number was seasonally adjusted, so the actual number could be more or less, depending on certain factors. The new tax reform passed recently reduces the tax-related benefits of owning a home. So this can persuade people to continue renting homes for another year until they have enough money to purchase their home, and or some people may want to purchase a home right away so that they can get ahead of the mortgage that's expected to rise. According to Jeffrey Citron, who's a real estate expert, he said, "There is no question in my mind that initially there's going to be this fear factor for first-time purchasers as to what their costs are going to be. They can't deduct their mortgages, they can't deduct their property taxes, and they have to look at their total budget as to what they can really afford."